Hi, my name is Max Coleman. I'm an artist working out of the Denver metro area, and over the past months I've had the privilege of working alongside Colorado AHEC here on the Anschutz medical campus in creating this mural that you see before you, my latest work. I was trained as a classical illustrator and dreamed of being able to do projects that concerned themselves with scientific illustration and natural illustration, and this has been an amazing opportunity to me to work in conjunction with them on subject matter as important as you see featured in this piece. In creating this piece, I wanted to create a visual symphony, a feast of color, line work, shape, and form that the viewer could engage with and find something new each time they interact with it. In weaving the narrative for this mural, I have attempted to combine the discoveries of scientists and doctors throughout the past 70 years to form a cohesive narrative. I began with the work of Theodore Puck and then just let the natural discoveries that I made as the researcher guide me throughout the rest of the piece. We start in a monochromatic world where the only thing we see is the light coming from the iris of a scientist looking towards the future. And that light, that yellow fluorescent color, refracts off of different areas throughout the mural until we are left with this cacophony of brilliant color with all of the discoveries combined to form a hand reaching towards the future, towards that next discovery. It's my hope that it serves as a backdrop towards future collaborative efforts and future discoveries. These are momentous things that I've attempted to portray here, but I am equally excited for the thought and conversations and discoveries that have yet to come from hopefully being inspired by this mural and from being fostered by this campus.